Do you feel the pulse?
Hey guys, this is Chinmay from Megro Clinic. Welcome back to our technical talk. Always craving, just like our food, we always want to have something, some or the other, stuff, junk food or whatever, lunch, breakfast, and dinner, and whatever the things. We always keep on eating around. In the technical talk, also we need these kind of a stuff. That is a kind of a food for us only. It's a craving. Technical information, it's kind of a craving for everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to change the breather pipe of this bullet, the Royal Enfield product, and why do we need that. What is the meaning of breather pipe? Why do we need that breather pipe at first place, and what is the function of breather pipe? Why they have provided that? There is a reason for that. Technical rational explanation is given for that, right? Breather pipe is basically given for engine breathing. All the engine breathes, that is negative charge side. To reduce the internal pressure from the negative side, they have provided this breathing system. The breathing system basically is that inhaling and exhaling of the air. A little bit of spitting of oil, engine oil through the breather pipe, but apart from that, all the engine oil, keeping that engine oil inside AVL engine. At that time they used to give us breather box, which was fitted on the left hand side of the bike under the rider's seat. This is the area at the time of inhaling air inside. It also going to exhale. So while exhaling, because of the pressure, the oil basically tries to come out of the engine while breathing, while exhaling. The oil basically has to be inside the engine. If the breathers, through the breather system, if the oil starts spitting around outside the engine, then we will lose our lot of engine oil. So to keep the engine oil inside, they have given the breather separator. The separator is basically over here. There are some tracks inside which keeps the oil inside and get the hot air out of the engine. So when the piston goes up, the negative side of the engine basically inhale the cold air. When the piston comes to BDC, that is bottom dead center, at that time whatever the air is inside the engine, it comes out of the breather pipe through the breather separator, yani ki exhale. It is something like our human body. We inhale, we exhale, we inhale and we exhale. We require that. So this is the breathing system what they have given for the engine. Now I'm going to show you how to change these breather pipes. Some pipes are, sometimes what happens that if you are not right now, for example, I'm having this pipe, this breather pipe basically. Sometimes what happens that pipes are not available properly in the market. Sometimes stock and all those issues. So right now what I got is for the Royal Enfield, but this is a straight pipe and one side there is a bend. In classic series, in C5 generally, you need two bends like this. So right now I don't have, so I'm going to just adjust myself, but yes, we require the breather pipe. If the breather pipe is not there, what will happen? It comes through the air filter. There should not be any dust. If the dust enters inside the engine, then your engine will go on toss. So it should not happen. That is the reason that they have connected this breathing system to the air filter. Now, if we have a broken pipe, what will happen? First of all, whatever the small amount of oil which is coming out of the engine at the time of breathing, it will spit on the engine, as well as at the time of inhaling, this will not inhale through the air filter, it will directly inhale from this point. So lot of dust is going to go inside. So be careful with it. So always you must work on, you must take care of this breather pipe. Always keep your eye open and try to keep it if the breather pipe is broken. So right now I'm going to show you how to change the breather pipe. For that, I have collected all those pliers. One is a bend nose plier, one is a small nose plier, another is a long straight nose plier, and one is a monkey plier. I don't know which will require. Sometimes what happens, some space is that particular area is congested, cozy, so we require different types of tools. So right now I'm going to use monkey plier to remove the main initial point of this breather pipe. So for that, first we will use monkey plier. I'll keep my watch aside, ornaments, be careful. So by pressing this, I am declamping this breather pipe first. So this is the clamp, basically what they have given. You can have a close-up view. I'm going to use this monkey plier and then going to remove the broken pipe on the bike. So one end I have removed. oil got spilled out because of the broken breather pipe. As you can see, a lot of stains are there on the engine. So now I'm going to remove the broken part of the pipe with the help of this bend nose plier. This end almost I have covered. So now I have to fix the rear end of this breather pipe. So for that, I'm again going to use this nose plier. You can see. Try to find out the exact location for the fitment. For this process, you don't need to remove the panel as well as this resonator from the bike. Now, this end I have fitted. The clamp which we have removed, so we have to fix up that. First, I'll just insert the pipe. Then again with the help of monkey plier, I'm going to clamp the breather pipe. So this is how we have replaced the breather pipe. And now engine is going to breathe very clean air through the air filter. So this is how you have to fix up the breather pipe. Don't neglect if the pipe is broken, just replace the pipe because it is very much essential. So this is how we have replaced the breather pipe. You may have a lot of issues because of the open breather system. So don't keep it open, just reuse the breather pipe and connect it to the breathing your air filter through the this pipe which is connected to the breather separator. I've been getting lots of requests from many viewers and subscribers as well that if there is any particular subject you want me to talk about and you want to show, then please let me know about it. Let me know the subject. So I will, whenever there is a possibility, I'll work on that and I'll show the video on that particular matter. If it is related to even CI engine, AVL engine, and this UC engine, and even if it is Himalayan engine. So I will note down. Thanks for watching and keep connected.